Get in the back seat now.
You get in the back. Oh, Jesus, where's... Cole?
Dale.
Who's the chick, Cole? Excuse me? Chick?
Oh, no. She's cool.
Alright, we got this geo intel from a drone late yesterday. This is the drop point in Raul Montenegro's trafficking network. We think his son Caesar's been using it for his own exploits, unbeknownst to Daddy. Seen a lot of activity the last 48 hours there.
Courier vehicles.
There was one vehicle that entered under the loading dock last night. Too small for a drop, but just the right size for, let's say, a hostage. You put a Mexican intelligence officer in the hospital. You made a bonehead call and it bit you in your ass. Little extracurricular activity could go a long way in getting your badge back.
This isn't for the agency, is it? They don't even know you're here, right?
It's always about the agency.
Are you paying for this? Scale? 2 operators?
We can loosen up some cash here.
Fine.
Good. Make some calls. This needs to happen right away. Hey. 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 I want me the donuts. Hey, don't you go shooting anyone I know with that piece.
Fuck you too, Dale.
Invoice me.